Hey curly queens and kings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try something that I have not tried and I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know how it's going to turn out. For the first time ever, I'm going to use a diffuser and I don't know how to use it. I've seen videos but I've never done it myself, so we're going to see how it works. Right now my hair is, just got the shower, so it's like 30% dry, so I'm going to apply all my products and then I'm going to use a diffuser. So if you want to see me fail it or I'm going to do well, I don't know. We'll have to see. So keep watching. Alright, so you guys know me, first step of my routine usually is the water. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over. So I heard you're supposed to put it on cool. So I have it on cool and we'll see. Oh, my hands are slippery. Go like this. How long does this take, guys? Okay, this is the done result of my hair. It's not completely dry, but I do see more volume in my hair than when my hair is just air drying. So I do like that, but it does take a long time. It take a long time. I've been standing here for like 20 minutes trying to dry it, and usually I'm rushing to get out the house. So if you have a lot of time, it's good. So you get more volume in your hair, but also it's very time consuming. I don't know about the results yet. I guess I have to wait till it's completely dry and then I'll decide if it was worth it or not. I used the cool button most of the time. I kind of switched it up with a little bit of heat just to make it go quicker. That's all I got for you guys today. Check back to look at the complete results when my hair is all dried and picked out, and then we shall see. And thank you guys for watching, and make sure that you subscribe and like this video. Bye!